Yo, what's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we'll be doing a quick vacuuming of this carpet with the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet model UD70167. Um, looks like Until It Takes Studios uploaded, so I will be watching his video after I upload mine. But anyways, this is model UD70167 Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet. And this will be a quick vacuuming of this rug right here. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. and that is the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. So that is the end of this quick vacuuming right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you won't miss out a video whenever it goes up. So let me know. Let me know in the comments on what you guys think, and let me know in the comments on what other videos you would like to see. And also, most importantly, comment down below that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and hit the like button on this video. But that is pretty much the end of this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And that is pretty much it for this Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet model UD70167. Until next time, guys, peace out.